handling leads efficiently requires more than just capturing them. It requires a system that can organize and respond instantly. Many businesses collect leads through forms, but after that, the process becomes manual and inconsistent. Because of this, the data is not organized properly, responses are delayed, and valuable opportunities are missed. This creates a gap between lead capture and actual engagement. To solve this, you need a system that can handle the entire flow automatically. In this video, I will show you a complete setup where Typeform leads are captured, stored in Google Sheets, and followed by a personalized WhatsApp reply instantly. This will ensure that your leads are both organized and engaged from the very beginning. Now, first of all, through the workflow that you are looking at my screen, I will show you the working of this automation in real life. After that, I will help you step by step create this automation inside your own Pabbly Connect account. To show you the demo of this automation, I just have to fill up this form that I've created with the help of Typeform application. Now I will quickly fill up this form, then I will show you what will happen next. First of all, for this name, I will enter this name as demo user. After that, I have to add this phone number. So I will add this phone number. Next, I have to add this email address. So I will add this also. After adding this email, I have to select my budget. For my budget, I will select this 50,000 as my budget. And at last, for this which service are you looking for, I will select this service as SEO. Now we just have to submit this form. Here my form is submitted successfully. Now what will happen, at first, based on the details that I provided here inside my form, all these details will get stored as a new row inside my Google Sheet. I will open my Google Sheet. In here you can see all the details about this new customer. Demo user with all their details have got added, and this lead is also tagged as this hot lead. Now next what will happen, instantly inside my WhatsApp account, you can see I have successfully received this welcome message. Hi demo user, thanks for your interest in ScaleX. Since you are ready to invest seriously 50,000 plus, our expert will contact you within 1 hour. Reply call if you want priority support, team ScaleX. So this is the message that I have received with the help of this workflow that I have created inside my Pabbly Connect account. So you have seen the demo with the help of which you can instantly store all the details of your leads inside your Google Sheet along with a tag added to their name, and also you can send a welcome message instantly to your customers based on the budget type selected by them. So this was the demo of my automation. Now if you also want to set up this kind of lead handling system for your own business, then you just have to watch this video till the end. By the end of this video, you will be able to create this amazing workflow so that you can also handle your leads like a pro. Because with this setup, every lead is captured, organized, and responded to instantly so that nothing is missed. Now without any delay, let me show you how to create this automation from scratch. For that, you just have to open this blank workflow for yourself where you can start creating this automation. But if you are new here and you don't know how to come up to this particular page where you can select your trigger application, then you just have to watch this video that I have added on the I button so that you can learn and come up to this page. So if you don't know the basics, watch that video. But I will continue directly from here where I will show you how you can select your trigger application. First of all, you can see this is the name, capture, store, and reply to leads automatically. This is the name of our workflow that I have given. If you want to change this name, you can click on this rename and change your name from here. After that, we have to select our trigger application at first to start creating our workflow. And this trigger application will be the event with the help of which our workflow will get triggered. For today, for my workflow, I will select my trigger application as Typeform because I want my workflow to get triggered as soon as I will receive a new entry from my Typeform account. For that, I just have to click over this plus button. Then inside the search box, I will search for my trigger application Typeform. Then I will select it. Then for this application event, I will select this new entry because I want my workflow to get triggered whenever a new entry is received inside my Typeform account. Now after selecting this application and application event, we just have to create a connection between this application and Pabbly Connect. For that, press this connect button. You will receive these two options, add new connection and select existing connection. If you have already established the connection, go with the second option. But if you want to learn to create a new connection, select this option, then press this connect with Typeform button. And I will advise you to make sure that you are already logged in inside your Typeform account so that Pabbly Connect can easily detect your account. Here my Pabbly Connect has detected my account, so I just have to click on this accept button to create my connection. My connection is created successfully. Next, from this drop down of the form inside my Typeform account, you can see this is the form ScaleX lead qualification form that I have created to capture my leads. That's why inside my Pabbly Connect account also I have to select the same form. Then for this response format, you can see right now this advanced is selected, but as we want our response in this simple format, so I will select this, then I'll press this save and send test records button. Now you can see Pabbly Connect is waiting for webhook response. This means that we have to submit a test to capture a new response here. For that, we just have to go back inside our Typeform account and fill up this form again so that a new response can be captured inside Pabbly Connect. To fill up a new form, we just have to copy the link of this form, open it in a new tab. After that, we just have to fill up this form again. Now for this name, I will type down this dummy user. Next, I will add my phone number. I have also added my email ID, and then for this budget, I will again select it as this 50,000 plus. At last, for this which service are you looking for, I will select this ads and then I will submit my form. My form is submitted. Now we have to go back inside our Pabbly Connect account, and instantly you can see we have successfully received a response that contains all the details that I have provided while filling up my form. This means that my Typeform application is successfully connected with my Pabbly Connect account. From now onwards, whenever any customer will fill up this form that I have created, instantly all the details of that customer will get captured inside my Pabbly Connect account. Now we have worked on our ticker application. Next, we have to work on our action applications, like what we want to do with the details of our leads that we have received inside our trigger application. Now the details that I have captured here of my leads, first of all, I want to store their details as a new row inside my Google Sheet along with a tag added to their name as hot lead, cold lead or warm lead. After that, I will also send them different messages based on the budget selected by them. So to create that particular type of workflow, we have to take help of router. With the help of this router, we can make our workflow run conditionally. So at first, click on this plus button and select this router by Pabbly from here. I have selected this router, but now as I want this workflow to run on 3 different filters, that's why I will just click on this plus button to add these 3 filters. Here these are added. Now we just have to work on them one by one. For this first filter, I will set it up in such a way so that this filter will only work if my customer has selected their budget type as 50,000 plus. For this second filter, I will frame it in such a way that this filter will work for those customers who have selected their budget in range of 10,000 to 50,000 plus. At last, for this third filter, I will frame it for the customers, those who have selected their budget as 10,000 plus. Based on the budget selected by my customer, if my customer has selected 50,000 plus, I will tag them as hot lead. If they have selected 10,000 to 50,000 budget, I will tag them as warm lead. But if they have selected their budget as 10,000, I will tag them as cold lead. Now we just have to set up this filter. So first of all, let us set up this first filter. I will open this, press this connect button. For this label, to select that value where my customer has selected their budget. So from this Typeform drop down, I will just search for the budget selected by my customer. Here you can see their choice label is 50,000 plus. So I just have to click over this to select it. For this filter type, I will select this equal to, then inside this value box, I will add this text manually, rupees 50,000 plus. Now you can see as this value matches the response selected by my customer. That's why after I will press this save and send test request button, I will receive my status as success. But if this value will not match the response selected by my customer, then I will receive error here. As I have received success, this means that I can easily tag this particular lead as a hot lead. Now we just have to work on our other filters also. So I will open this, press this connect button. For this label, I will again search for this 50,000 selected by my customer, and then I will select this. I will not change this filter type. Now this time inside this value box, as the second value that I have created, range of 10,000 to 50,000. So that's why in here I will just add this value as this 10,000 to 50,000. After that, I again have to press this save and send test request button. You can see as this value does not matches the response selected by my customer, that's why I have received my response as error. This means that this particular filter will not work for this time. Now we just have to work on our last filter. So I will quickly set up this also. I have successfully set up this last filter also, and here also I have received the response as error. Now inside my filters for this budget types, I have added the value as 50,000, 10 to 50,000 and 10,000. But if you are creating this workflow on your own, you just have to add the budget that you have set up for your own business to make sure that this workflow runs as per your business. So change this filter value when you are using this workflow for your own. Now we just have to work on our further steps, like what will happen if the customer has qualified for any of these following filters. So for this time, my customer will qualify for this budget range selected 50,000. This means that we just have to store their details as a new row inside our Google Sheet with a tag added to their name as hot lead. So for that, we have to select our action application as Google Sheet. Click on this plus button, select this Google Sheet from here as your action application. For this application event, as we want to add a new row, that's why I will select this add new row, then I'll press this connect button. Again, you will receive these two different options, add new connection and select existing connection. This time also, I will select this add new connection. Now to create a connection between Google Sheet and Pabbly Connect, we just have to press this sign in with Google button. On the left side, Pabbly Connect will detect your account. Select your account from here, scroll down on the next page, click on this continue button to successfully create your connection. You can see my connection is created successfully. Now after creating this connection, we just have to select the spreadsheet and sheet. Inside my Google Sheet, the name of my spreadsheet is worksheet and the name of my sheet is website leads. So in here also, I will select my spreadsheet as worksheet. Then for the select sheet, I will select this website leads. Instantly you will see all the columns that I have added inside my Google Sheet. Pabbly Connect has successfully captured them. Now I just have to fill up these details in here to add these details as a new row inside my Google Sheet. To fill up these fields, I will take help of mapping, because by mapping, we can make our data dynamic. It means that whenever Pabbly Connect will detect any new data, it will automatically update the old data with the new captured data. But if I will type down these details manually, then these details will remain static and they will not change unless we manually change it. So that's why to allow our data to get changed automatically, we take help of mapping. Now I have explained mapping. Now let me show you how you can map data. For that, in here, as we want to map the name, so we just have to press the slash button. Then we have to search for the name of our customer. So I will search for the name. Here this name is visible, so I just have to click over this and it is mapped successfully. For this phone number also, I will press this slash, search for the phone number and I will select it. Now just like this, I will quickly map all of these remaining fields. But for this tag, here as my lead has selected their budget as 50,000 plus, this means that I want to tag them as hot lead. Inside my Google Sheet also, you can see if my customer has selected their budget as 50,000 plus, I have tagged them as hot lead. So this means that for this time also, as I have selected my budget as 50,000, this means that I have to tag this particular lead as hot lead. So here I have added this text manually. Now I will quickly fill up these remaining fields. After adding all these details, we just have to press this save and send test records button. Instantly, inside our Google Sheet, you can see all the details about this new customer. Dummy user with this budget, service and hot lead tag are added successfully. This means that our action application Google Sheet is successfully connected with our Pabbly Connect account. Now we just have to work on our last application where we will send a WhatsApp message to this particular hot lead. For that, click on this plus button and select Pabbly Chatflow as your action application. For this application event, as we want to send a text message, that's why we have to select this send text message. Next, to create a connection, press this connect button. You will receive these two options again, add new connection and select existing connection. This time also select this add new connection to create a new connection. To create a new connection, you need this token that you can easily get by clicking on this hyperlink available here. After that, you will get directed on this all apps page of Pabbly. Inside this page, to access the Pabbly Chatflow, click on this access now button and you will get directed on the dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow. When you are inside this dashboard, the first thing that you have to do is click on this add WhatsApp number button, select any of these two methods and add your WhatsApp number inside Pabbly Chatflow. After that, this column will be accessible to you. So in this column, at the bottom here, this settings is visible. Go over this and select this API and webhook. Inside this page, you will see here, this is your Pabbly's Chatflow API token. Just copy this token from here, go back inside your Pabbly Connect account, paste the token inside this box, then press this save button. Your connection will get created successfully. After creating this connection, you just have to add the recipient's WhatsApp mobile number, the message which you want to send them, and their name to successfully send them a message. First of all, I will map the recipient's mobile number. For that, I just have to press this slash button. Then from here, I have to search for the number. It is visible here. I will select this. Then for this name also, I'll again press this slash. I will search for the name of my customer from this drop down, and then I will also select this. At last, I just have to add a message inside this box which I want to send to my customer. But before adding this message, let me tell you that if you also want to improve your lead management and engagement at the same time, I highly recommend you start using Pabbly Connect as soon as possible, because with Pabbly Connect, you can create such amazing workflow that will generate a system which will help you organize your data, qualify leads, and respond automatically without any manual effort. So if you are still not using Pabbly Connect, then I will suggest you use my coupon code JAIYT to purchase your subscription, so that you can also avail a huge discount on our yearly and lifetime subscription plans, because this subscription will provide you maximum returns on investment. Now I will add this WhatsApp message. Till then, you can purchase your subscription by using my coupon code JAIYT. I have added this message inside this message box. Here you can see I have also mapped the user's full name. Along with that, I have also mapped the price amount selected by them. Now after adding these details, we just have to press this save and send test request button. You can see instantly I have received my response as message sent, and inside my WhatsApp account also I have successfully received this message with my name and the amount selected by me. This means that my last action application Pabbly Chatflow is also successfully integrated with my Pabbly Connect account. Now with this, we have successfully set up this first filter, with the help of which we will store our hot leads and send them a WhatsApp message directly on the phone number provided by them. Now just like this, I have to frame these two remaining filters also. Now for these filters, I will not frame these applications from scratch. I will just copy these applications from here by doing a right click over this application, and then again I will do a right click over this filter, and then I'll press this paste button to paste this step. For this filter also, I will paste this Google Sheet, and at last I will also duplicate this particular Pabbly Chatflow application and paste it both in front of these two remaining filters. You can see I have successfully pasted these Pabbly Chatflow applications also. Now we just have to change the inner structure of these applications. For that, first of all, inside this second Google Sheet application, inside this tag box, in place of this hot lead, I will add this text warm lead. Then I will save this step, go out, and then in this last Google Sheet, in place of this hot lead again, I will add this text cold lead. You can see I've added this. Now I just have to click on the save button to save this step. Just like this, I will also change the message which I want to send to my warm lead and cold lead. So in place of this message that I wanted to send to my hot lead, I will change it with this message which I wanted to send to my warm leads. Now I will save this step also, go out, and for this last step, in here also I have changed this message. Now I will save this step also. With this, we have successfully completed the creation of this workflow, with the help of which we can instantly categorize our leads into hot, warm, or cold leads, and we can also send them different personalized WhatsApp message directly on their WhatsApp number. So that's it for this video. I have successfully demonstrated how you can create this system to capture, store, and reply to your leads automatically by just creating a workflow inside your own Pabbly Connect account. Now if you want to use this workflow, then you can copy the link of this workflow from the description box. For you, I will add it in there. If this video provided you with some value, then make sure to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel of Pabbly. You can ask your doubts in the comment box. My team will help you instantly. Just a quick reminder at end that don't forget to use this coupon code JAIYT that I have added for you in the description box to avail a huge discount on our yearly and lifetime subscription plans. That's it for now. See you in the next one. Not just these, you can integrate many more applications with the help of Pabbly Connect. Now if you want to purchase your subscription, you can check out the pricing at this particular website. And if you have any doubt, you can email us at sales@pabbly.com. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your team members. And if you found our content useful, you can also subscribe to the YouTube channel of Pabbly.